Alright, a little bit something different tonight. 8:30, got the radios on. WTOP is yet to send a weekly this week. And knowing how the pattern goes, so they test on the 53, 99% of the time they test on the 53, and about 80% of the time, it's either at 10:53 a.m., 12:53 p.m., 8:53 p.m. or 10:53 p.m. WTOP has not yet sent a weekly this week, so I'm expecting a test sometime tonight, either 8:53 or 10:53, and hopefully they'll do it. So let's see.
It's 8:53. This is a test
There
of
they
the
go!
Washington, D.C.
There they go!
Metropolitan Operational Area Emergency Alert System.
Called it. 8:53. Called it.
USAA insurance for busy moms.